Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I am going to be teaching you on how to create amazing flyers, business banners and images using AI. So there is this powerful AI tool. I'm going to be teaching you today on how to use it to create amazing images for your businesses and other things, and also to generate YouTube thumbnails and anything you want to generate, anything image. And this AI tool is really powerful, and it's one of the popular AI tool that is ongoing, that is trending right now. So let us get started. Now you go to your your Chrome, and let us type in as you know, Dreamina AI. As you all know, this Dreamina AI is a free. You can use the free version to create many things and another thing. And actually, if you want to get the other, okay, now here we are at the interface. As you can see, this is the interface of the Dreamina AI, and as you can see, it's amazing, really amazing. So you can see it's very beautiful. Look at the images that you can generate using this tool. As you can see, is very good. Now the second thing we need to do is just to sign up. As you can see, this is just the first time we are visiting here, so we have to sign up. So when you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to, as you can see, let us wait for it to load. It's going to take you to this interface. As you can see, this is another beautiful interface, and here is the workspace. Here is the place we are going to be generating our, as you can see, my email is already selected. Meanwhile, while we continue, we are still going to register, because they want you to write a prompt before they bring out the registration. As you can see, look at amazing images you can generate using this picture. As you can see, using this tool, look at beautiful, look at the dog even playing snooker. Is that really mind-blowing? Actually, you can use this for your active, for your businesses or whatever thing. Now secondly, let us select the aspect ratio we want. As you can see, the main aspect ratio, and because we want maybe 9/16 aspect ratio, because we want it to fill up the space on our phone. As you can see, this thing can also be done using your mobile phone. You can also select 16/9 if you want. You can be done, this tutorial can also be done using your mobile phone. You mustn't necessarily use computer to do it, so it's still the same process. So now here is a space you can also use it to create AI videos and other things, but today in today's tutorial we are just going to use it to create images. In another tutorial, I'm going to create another tutorial about it, on how to use it to create AI videos, and that's very simple. It's very simple to do it, but in today's video we are just going to focus on creating AI image. So now let's get started with that prompt. Now we are required to put a prompt, and you can actually type the prompt, but if you don't have the idea to write a prompt, we can use ChatGPT. Now let us open ChatGPT. As you can see, let us load ChatGPT to see. You can actually use ChatGPT. Now let me reload. I was actually using it before. Let me reload it. So now, while we wait for it to load, let us go back to our Dreamina AI to create something. At least let us type just an idea to create an image to see how it works. So now I'm going to type an idea. As you can see, you just think of the kind of thing you want, think of the kind of video you want, or the kind of image you want. You can use it for your business or whatever. Now I'm going to type create. Okay, let us say create a snowy environment, okay, with a lady standing and dancing in the snow. All right, let us try something like that. They are dancing in the snow. Now this is just a simple idea. As you can see, this is just a simple idea. You can write it and make it more detailed. You know, the more you make it more detailed, the more the quality of your image. So okay, now once the prompt is being written and everything is set, so what you need to do is just to enter. You can click on the enter button on your keyboard, or you just click on the arrow, the up arrow button. As you can see, just click on the arrow button and it will. Okay, now because we've not registered, it's going to prompt us to input our email, so you're going to continue with Google. After clicking on the continue with Google, you allow it to load. So let us wait for it to load. After loading, you can select your email. Selecting your email, okay, just continue, just asking for permissions to okay. Now after this, it's still going to ask us few questions about what we want to use this for. Actually, you're going to choose your date of birth. If you want, you can put any date. If you don't want to put your real date, you can just put any date. It's just for reference. And also after that, you're going to ask your question, whether you're a content creator or a tech enthusiast or whatever. So you're going to choose choose the one you actually wanted, or what you actually so once you're already done, you just click on okay. As you can see, you're gonna ask, or you can actually choose a designer, or me, I'm going to go with tech professional. I'm going to go with that and then click on continue. So after that, as you can see, it's already generating the prompt, the image from the prompt we've written, and you can see the percentage is reading. It reads very fast. Yeah, it creates very fast. So as you can see, the image will be created in okay. Right now the image is created. As you can see, this is amazing. This is mind-blowing. Wow, this is crazy. As you can see, this is actually created in 4K quality. You can actually write it in the prompt if you want 4K or 8K quality or 16K quality. It's actually going to generate it with that quality. Now you can click on the download button and just download it to your device. As you can see, you can just download it to your device and it will be saved to your device without wasting time. And that's just it. Very simple as Kulikuli and Gary. All right, so you can use this strategy to create more ideas actually before. All right, I'm going to go back to my I'm going to create more images, but I'm not going to put that into recording because of the time. I don't want this video to be very long, so because of that, I'm going to use it to create more images, and I'm going to show you the result at the end. Actually, like I said, you can actually generate the prompt using AI or ChatGPT. Anything, you can do that anyhow you want to do it. It's very good. All right, guys, if you really enjoy this and you know that you like this, please subscribe to this channel and drop a thumb up, and see you next time. Bye bye.